Thanks guys, we are at a very windy Spaceport, America, where they launch Virgin Galactic, and we are celebrating 30 years with Infiniti. Their past, their present, and their future.
From the very beginning, Infiniti have been a groundbreaking company, bringing many of the commonly found technologies in our vehicles to market for the first time. The surround view cameras that we see on almost every car was first invented by Infiniti. Infiniti invented the backup camera, lane departure warning. One of the most important pieces of technology they conceived was the predictive forward collision warning back in 2014, which helps you avoid running into an object with your car. Jeffrey Pope is the group Vice President of Infiniti.
I think the simple premise for Infiniti is just that, it's simple. We've always been based on performance, styling, and comfort. And what you see now, the tagline, or not really tagline, but marketing platform that we're using is about luxury should be lived in. And what we stand for today is really trying to get people to understand that when we're talking about being a luxury product, in the marketplace, what we really mean by that is having something that can interact with the consumer at a very high level. We don't mean being luxury by just being something that sits there or is innate and really is not useful. We want people to enjoy our products and live in them. And you can see our marketing has tried to portray that as well.
At the Spaceport, Infiniti showed off vehicles of their past, their present, and their future. Those vehicles that are presently in dealerships were lined up for me to test drive, on-road and off-road.
Now, Infiniti wanted me to get into the new QX80 for 2020 because now it has a dual screen and you can use the controller to access both screens. What they failed to mention to me was they also had a really cool off-road course.
There's nothing like driving an SUV through a slalom.
So now Infiniti have allowed me to take a QX50 and check it out through the slalom course.
I even got the opportunity to do some drifting.
Now we also took the Q50 on this very cool traffic circle where we can actually do a lot of drifting with the car and see actually what you can do in a real traffic circle. I'm not sure you'd actually do this on a road. Good thing we're on a runway.
From the present to the future, looking forward, as Infiniti get ready to roll out a series of electric and electrified vehicles, the brand will also see a change in the way cars are designed. Over 3 decades since Infiniti was first established, the design of the brand's vehicles has transformed. Cars have evolved as tastes and expectations have changed, and as new trends have emerged, such as the rise in popularity of SUVs and crossovers, innovations in assembly techniques, vehicle architecture, and aerodynamics have also played a role in progressing the looks of Infiniti vehicles. Infiniti displayed the concepts of the future and privately told us that these concepts are very close to what will actually be production cars in the future.
Now some, but not all of these Infinitis will be available at your Infiniti dealership very soon. In New Mexico, I'm Nick Miles.